step by step, an easy way to learn English. Read this text. Mr. Fadi will be leaving to London next week. We will visit him before he leaves. We like Mr. Fadi very much. He will stay in London for 3 years, so we shall not see him for a long time. He will be working in the city. His company sent him because he is a very clever man. They will offer him a good position, a house, a car, and a good salary. We shall miss him, but we are happy for him. He is happy too. His wife and his children will go each summer to stay with him. Then they will return before school starts.